The number of pounds of waste generated per person per year varies greatly among countries around the world. Use the following pictograph to answer this exercise. How many more pounds of waste per person per year are generated in the United States than in Mexico? Well, before working with a pictograph, let's see what the symbol represents. And we see that the symbol used in the pictograph represents 100 pounds of waste generated per person per year. So let's first find the number of symbols in the United States. We have 10 in the top row here, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 symbols for the United States. And in Mexico, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 symbols. Now this is the number of symbols. And we could first calculate the number of pounds that represents, or we could see how many more symbols there are in the United States. If we would subtract, there are 10 more symbols in the United States than there are in Mexico. And since each symbol represents 100 pounds, we have 10 times 100 pounds, or 1,000 pounds. So each person per year generates 1,000 pounds more waste in the United States than in Mexico.